Hey guys, this is my new Magiccos blender and I came here to show you how it works very well. So I love this a lot. It came with a wonderful quality and it's perfect to prepare different kinds of things. But today I will prepare a homemade ice cream. It's delicious, healthy, and I can do it very quick with this blender. So here I have all the ingredients that I will need to make this ice cream. This yogurt, Greek yogurt, just a little bit, not too much. And I have here this passion fruit, it's frozen. And let's do it. Turn on. You can use this little piece to help us. Finished here, and as you can see we have a very nice ice cream, perfect texture. Look, this beautiful and perfect ice cream.